Hello everyone, my name is Judy Lestari. My study number 20220057. I am from A1. I want to explain about the sentence structure and for example sentence, I analysis from the article the application of speed reading technique and reading activity for student of the senior high school 1 Kuwait Selatan. And next slide, our topic in sentence structure phrase. One, I want to talk about noun phrase. Two, I want to talk about verb phrase. Three, I want to talk about adverbial phrase. And last, I want to talk about preposition phrase. Next slide. Phrase. What is phrase? Phrase is a group of two or more words functioning as a meaningful unit within a sentence or clause. A phrase is commonly characterized as a grammatical unit however between a word and a clause. So, frasa adalah kelompok dua kata atau lebih yang berfungsi sebagai unit dalam sebuah kalimat atau klausa. Frasa umumnya dicirikan sebagai unit bahasa singkat antara kata dan klausa. And then, phrases are usually in the middle of a sentence, and the phrase also is a second structure. Jadi frasa itu berkarakteristik di antara kata dan frasa. Next slide, noun phrase. What is noun phrase? Noun phrase is a group of two or more words headed by a noun that include modifier. So, noun phrase adalah kelompok dua kata atau lebih yang dikepalai oleh kata benda yang termasuk penyebab. What is modifier? Modifier is a word or phrase or clause which modifies other word in a sentence. The adjective modify the noun, while the adverb modify the verb, adjective or other adverb. Modifier adalah kata atau frasa atau klausa yang memodifikasi noun, sedangkan adverb memodifikasi verb, adjective atau adverb lainnya. And the next slide. Verb phrase. What is verb phrase? Verb phrase is a group of words that include the main verb and its modifier, which are called auxiliary or helping verb. So, verb phrase adalah kelompok kata yang termasuk verba utama dan pengubahannya yang disebut verba bantu si auxiliary verb ini. Some example of helping verb include from, of, to be. The to be itu I'm, is, are, was, were. And from of to have, has, had. From of to do, does, did. And the next slide, this is adverbial phrase. What is adverbial phrase? Adverbial phrase is a group of words that function as an adverb. Adverbial phrase adalah sekelompok kata yang berfungsi sebagai kata keterangan. Type of adverb phrase yaitu ada adverb of time yang menjelaskan waktu when, ada adverb place yang menjelaskan tempat where di mana. Lalu adverb of manner ini menjelaskan bagaimana sesuatu terjadi. Adverb of frequent menyatakan seberapa sering. And last, adverb of degree menyatakan sesuatu yang terjadi. And the next slide, prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrase is a group of words consisting of a preposition, its object, and any word to modify the object. A A prepositional phrase modifies a verb or a noun. These two types are called adverbial phrase and adjectival phrase. So, prepositional phrase adalah sekelompok kata yang terdiri dari preposisi, objeknya, dan kata apapun yang memodifikasi kata objek, kata kerja. Prepositional memodifikasi kata kerja atau kata benda. Kedua jenis ini disebut frasa adverbial dan frasa adjektif. The functional of prepositional phrase. Number 1, prepositional phrase functioning as adjective that modify noun. Number 2, prepositional phrase functioning as adverb that modify verb. Nah, this slide describe example of phrase that I have analysis in the article. Ini bagian introduction-nya ya. For example, noun phrase. Di sini ada contoh kalimat the basis of modern human communication. Basis di sini merupakan noun head of modernnya. Modernnya ini modifier dari si noun. Next, verb phrase. The language that has developed rapidly in society. Develop di sini adalah modifier dari verb. Has-nya itu verb helping to have. Next, adverbial phrase. The language that has developed rapidly and society. Modifier dari adverbial ini adalah rapidly. Ini merupakan the verb of manner. And next, prepositional phrase. The message conveyed in reading. Yang di sini merupakan preposisi. Reading ini adalah modifier dari si prepositional. Number 2, understand the meaning of reading. Of di sini adalah preposisinya, readingnya modifier dari prepositional phrase-nya. And the next slide, this is analysis phrase in the article method. And number 1, example noun phrase. The data collection technique use observation technique. The data ini merupakan noun head-nya. Observation-nya merupakan modifier dari si noun. Next, verb phrase. Number 1, the research was conducted throughout classroom. Conducted di sini merupakan modifier dari verb. Was-nya itu helping verb to be. Next, number 2, the next stage was observing. Was di sini ya verb helping-nya, observing-nya itu modifier dari verb. And next, adverbial phrase. Making data collection instrument, namely the observation. Namely di sini merupakan modifier dari si adverbialnya. Next, prepositional phrase. The data obtained in determining the criteria for learning success. In determining di sini merupakan prepositional phrase. Next slide. This is the analysis phrase in the article result. Number 1, noun phrase. The result of the reading test that measure reading speed. The result merupakan noun head. The reading of the reading test-nya itu modifier dari si noun. Verb phrase. Contoh verb phrase. After that, reflection was performed to find out the success. Performed-nya itu modifier dari verb. Was-nya itu verb helping dari to be. Next, adverbial phrase. The improvement were made especially on teaching media. Especially di sini merupakan adverbial phrase. And number 2, reading technique called improve sudden ability to read quickly-nya merupakan modifier dari adverbial phrase. Ini tema merupakan adverb of manner. Next, example prepositional phrase. The data obtained in determining the criteria for learning success. Ini merupakan in determining ini yaitu merupakan prepositional phrase. Next, analysis phrase in the article conclusion. Noun phrase, the application of the speed reading technique. The application yang merupakan noun head of the speed reading-nya merupakan modifier dari si noun. Next, example verb phrase, the teacher had improved the learning process. Had improved, had ini verb helping-nya dari to have, improved-nya adalah modifier dari si verb-nya. Untuk example adverbial phrase-nya itu di dalam conclusion saya tidak menemukannya. And then, and last, prepositional phrase. Successful in increasing student reading score. Increasing di sini ada merupakan modifier dari si prepositional phrase-nya. And last, student activity in the learning process. Learning ini merupakan modifier dari si prepositional phrase. That's my explanation about sentence structure. I hope what I have come up with is useful. Thank you very much. Bye.